Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is from Yes Oh Yes, and it comes in a black bubble mailer every month. And it is $14.99 a month, and I do believe you have to pay $3.99 shipping and handling. And you're supposed to get 3 to 7 full-size beauty products. So I'm just going to take everything out of the bag so that we can see it. And Yes Oh Yes does not put a card in the mailer. I know they had issues in the past, so I guess they just decided to omit the card altogether. And I'm okay with that. I'll just look up the prices myself, and I will post them in the description. I mean, they do put a card, but not with prices. I'm sorry. They don't include the products. And this is, you know, for Cinco de Mayo, it says 5 de Mayo, which is nice. And on the back, it says May 2019, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. It's cute. This is a cute card. So that's adorable. And I just wanted to, you do get a free beauty item every 4 months of active subscription. So every 4 months you're with them, you get a free item in your bag. So why not? I mean, I would probably stick with them anyway. I don't mind this subscription at all. So the first item that I see is from Masquerade, and it is one sheet mask, and it's for all skin types, and it's Detox Diva. And this is what it is right here. And this is Exfoliate and Detoxify. This is a hydrating sheet mask. And it expires in 2021. So it's good for a while. So that's nice to get a sheet mask. And we have a product from Laritzi Cosmetics. And this is a Dew Pot. And this is an illuminator. And this is what the box looks like. And we'll open that up and see what this is all about. See, I like having like at least something because you get a little description. And so here is the packaging, and it's a little pot. And this is what the product looks like. And let me just read the bottom and see if it says anything. Like color-wise, no. It just says Halo Dew Pot Illuminator Pot. So I'm not mad at that. We'll try it. I mean, I don't think I use products like that generally, but and this says a 12-month, I think. Oof, it makes sometimes it makes, I think, a 12-month expiration on that. The next product I've seen, and I have one identical, and I have it going in a giveaway, and I will add this one to a giveaway. This is from Appeal Cosmetics, and this is a holographic lip gloss, and this is what it looks like. And I know I will not use that. I mean, I love lip gloss, but this is just too much for me. So I will include that in a giveaway. And the next item is from Mirabella Lip. And this is a lip definer. And I think the color is Tease. So it seems like this is the month for lip liners. And this is the packaging, and you can see the color right there on the end. And this is a pencil, another pencil. And I'm not going to swatch this one because this one looks pretty similar to the other ones that I got. So I might include this one in a giveaway. I don't need two very similar colored pencils, so that's not bad. And then the item that I was really excited to try is from Beauty Creations, and this is Seduce Me palette. And this has a 24-month shelf life, cruelty-free, which is nice to see. And then on the back of the packaging, it lets you see the color story. And this is just a slide out. Let's get this out. And the inside packaging looks exactly like the box, which is nice. And this does have a mirror, so we're just going to block that. So, and it does have your protective sheet. And this is what the colors look like. And I've seen quite a few people unbox this, and they had said that these are really nice palettes. So I might try this one, and I might keep this one for myself because this has a lot of more of the color tones that I would use versus like the bright blues and a lot of oranges and things like that. This has, you know, some darker plums and browns and neutrally type colors that and there is a black in there too, which is good to darker the outer corner. So I might give this one a try. So this one I'm definitely keeping for myself. So, but I have never tried anything from Beauty Creations, but people that have gotten this box and tried this palette are raving about it. So I'm excited to try this, and I will let you guys know what I think of this. The Larizzi Illuminator Pot. I'm not sure if I'm going to try that. If I do, I'll let you know. If not, I will keep putting that in the giveaway. The Mirabella Lip Pencil, I will be giving that in a giveaway. The Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss, I will be putting that in a giveaway since I already have one. And then the mask I will be keeping because I love masks. So that is everything in the May 2019 Yes Oh Yes beauty bag. And thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you get Yes Oh Yes, if you're considering it, or if you're still on the know from previous problems. I've gotten this now. I think this is my second or third month, and I've had no issues whatsoever. All the products are nice. Never had any problems with any of the products. And don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.